Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I will make a project descriptive video for English class. First introduction. My name is Nadhi Faisal Anbari, and NPM 10070122090, class B. Today is Thursday, 16th of January 2005. Prospecting is beginning exploration. Prospecting is the initial stage in mining activities aimed at discovering and evaluating the potential mineral resource contained within a certain area. This process is very important because it determines the feasibility of a location for further exploration. In the context of mining, prospecting includes a series of activities involving the collection of geological, geophysical, and geochemical. According to a scientific journal published by the International Journal of Mining Science and Technology, systematic prospecting can increase the efficiency of mineral resource exploration and reduce investment risk in the mining sector. Specifically, the stage of prospecting or initial exploration in mining are important steps to determine the potential of mineral resource in an area. This process involves various scientific methods aimed at identifying and evaluating the presence and characteristics of exciting minerals. In this stage, there are main methods common use, namely geological mapping, geophysics, and geochemistry. First, geological mapping is a crucial initial step in early exploration. In this process, geologists conduct field survey to identify and map rock formation as well as geological structure present in the area. This mapping includes the collection of data regarding rock types, geological age, and the relationship between formation. Through geological mapping, information regarding mineral potential can be obtained, such as the location of the mineral deposit, distribution pattern, and geological properties that influence the presence of those minerals. In addition, geological mapping can also provide an overview of the geological process that have occurred. Next, geophysical methods are used to obtain additional information about the subsurface structure without the need for drilling. The use of advanced tools in geophysics can help identify anomalies that identify the presence of valuable mineral. In direction exploration, it is a technique used to obtain information about the subsurface structure of the earth without drilling or directly contact with the underground layers. Some of the main geophysical methods commonly used in indirect exploration are as follows. 1. Geoelectric method. The geoelectric method measure the resistivity or specific resistance of rock to an electric current injection into the ground. Variation in resistivity can indicate difference in rock types, water content, or mineralization. 2. resistivity method, measuring the distribution of resistivity below the surface of use in groundwater, mineral exploration, and geotechnical investigation. 3. AP method, induction exploration, measure the ability of rock of temporarily store electrical charge. This method is very effective for detecting sulfide mineral metal. 4. Gravity method. The gravity method is based on measuring variation in the Earth gravity field by difference in rock density below the surface. 5. A magnetic method. This method utilizes variation in the Earth magnetic field caused by change in the content of ferromagnetic mineral within rocks, such as magnetite. Geochemical method. This method involves sampling and analyze the concentration of certain chemical elements of compounds for various media such as soil, water, sediment, vegetation, and or gas and in the Earth's surface. If there are mineral, this process often involves taking samples from various depths and locations, which are then analyzed in the laboratory to determine the concentration of certain elements, as gold, copper, nickel, and others. The result of geochemical analysis can provide a clear picture of the mineralization potential in area. Geochemical method in natural resource exploration can be classified based on the type of media from which samples are taken. 1. Soil geochemistry. Soil samples are taken from the surface or deeper soil layers or subsurface, then analyzed to determine the concentration of certain chemical elements. Soil geochemistry is used in the exploration of metal minerals as gold, copper, tin by detecting chemical anomalies on the soil surface. 2. Sediment geochemistry. Sediments are taken from the bottom of river, lakes or valleys and analyzed to determine the chemical elements carried from nearby rock from further location. 3. Water geochemistry. Groundwater, surface water, or well water is analyzed for the presence of elements of chemical compounds that indicate mineralization below the surface. This method is used to detect the presence of minerals such as uranium, copper, or gold that are dissolved in groundwater. For vegetation geochemistry, chemical analysis is performed on plants, usually leaves, stem, or roots, that absorb chemical elements from the soil through their root system. Overall, the prospecting stage in mining is a complex and multidisciplinary process through geological, geophysical, and geochemical and mapping surface. Research can gather comprehensive information regarding to the potential of mineral resources. The data obtained from these three methods are very important for decision making in developing efficient and sustainable mining projects. Maybe enough from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.